Okay guys, welcome. I am bringing you along for my Vogue inspired Get Ready With Me Glam today. I'll be flying to Paris shortly after this. So this will be my makeup. First off, I already have a moisturized face. So I'm gonna begin with brows. Brows are key. If my brows aren't together how I want them to be, then I'm scratching the whole makeup look and it's a wrap. My brows usually take up 10 minutes of my makeup routine. It's pretty crucial to me. I'm gonna be going with NYX's Professional Precision Brow, filling the top of the brows first with light strokes, filling the bottom. Eyebrow one done, let's move to the second one. So after filling them to your desired look, brush them out just to make sure that the makeup kind of saturated your brows the way you want them to. Next, I'm going to be taking some concealer. Let's use my little flat shader brush. See, and just drag it out. I highlight the highest points of my cheekbones with MAC Stroke Cream. This is just going to give me a dewy look underneath my foundation. Like I concentrated on my cheekbones and then I just use whatever's left on the rest of the skin. And in the meantime, while we're letting that sit and marinate, I'm just gonna go ahead and do some eyeshadow work. I'm gonna slap the same concealer I used on my eyes, brows, smooth that over. And I'm also gonna go ahead and set my brows. I'm gonna go ahead and use Puree, this nice chocolatey brown color. And just put that all over the lid. Go ahead and use my primer because this has gotten a little moist on the face. And this is going to be my Milani Prime Perfect face primer. I just recently noticed that my lash lines are just acting a damn fool. I think I need to get like a matte primer. There's some wrinkles. I just don't have time, guys. I don't have time for age. I'm gonna be popping the warmer bronzer color, making it real deep, real sultry like. To foundation, this has been used to the death. Milani's Conceal Imperfect. This is bomb, but it's no longer my shade. It's a little bit too dark. So to really loosen it up, I'm going to use MAC's Natural Radiance, just like that. Since this color is darker, I'm going to be using this first to just really lay the groundwork. Taking my concealer, I'm going to warm it up in the back of my hand because I find that this applies and looks better, generally speaking. Got it on the back of my hand. Back to the music. Which album are y'all loving so far? I am so totally here for Queen's album. To me, it gets better every time I listen to it. But anyway, the Cardi and Nicki beef, like if that was me, I would be like, girl, I am trying to secure all the bags. You know what I'm saying? That's just not me. I personally wasn't raised to be like, if you talk about me, I'm about to go fight you. Like I wasn't raised like that, so I can't really relate. You know? I'm just not here for that classless shit. I'm so sorry. I don't really want a diss track. I'll just make songs not beefing with each other, because what if this goes left? I just found this at the bottom of my bag. Rolling with this cream contour. And then brush up or blend up. You want to blend up with your concealer. Blending up. And then on your forehead, you kind of want to just blend down. Like whatever's left on the brush. I'm going to just dip it in here, guys. Oh, y'all, I forgot to set the lash lines. My goodness. side's contour is always better than this side's. So all that's said and done, I just lightly tap the foundation brush I used earlier, and I just like to go over it to make it look really blended. And I have a bougie one for the cam, but I don't really like this because it's a little bit too like dewy. So I'm just gonna go with my NYX Dewy Finish Volume. I'm gonna try it. I don't really like the spray mist either, but it's whatever. I'm gonna go back in with this highlight. This one right here from Maybelline. I'm gonna go back and add a little bit of blush. I feel like I can't see my blush. But you can see this highlight though. That's what you can see. You can see this highlight. Oh my god, I think it's the spray. I really brought this out. Smoked out the bottom lashes. Ready to apply lashes. To make it even look better, I'm gonna go back with this little eyeliner pen. Now I'm trying to figure out if I should do like a nose highlight, but I think I'll leave it alone. For the final finale, we're just gonna line my lips, MAC strip down. Ooh. Ooh. Over here, guys, we're not done. I'm just gonna refresh my curls, bump up this sleeve out a little bit. I'm really not gonna do too much. Keep in mind, I had already curled this earlier. Like, I'll curl it like every once in a while. If you see me curling my hair, just know like I started fitting straight. I never would just curl my hair like this. This is like the best lot of body. This is like the best. I'm natural, so it works for my natural hair. Like, it's like a great day indeed. Guys, quick curls. This is it. I hope you guys enjoyed how this video turned out. You know, I'm not actually going to Paris. I'm actually going to the Beyonce concert here in Houston. So she's cute. I actually don't know what I'm gonna wear, so I would show y'all, but I really don't know what I'm gonna wear, so I'm gonna figure that out soon. And yeah, guys, Beyonce cute. Let me know if you like more videos like this. Tell me what you would like to see more, and I will be back. Love you guys. Mwah. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have another video talking about my nursing school journey. I'm excited to talk about that. Your girl is officially registered nurse. Talk to me nice on BSN. But yeah, guys, life is good. Hope life is going good for y'all as well. And I love you guys. Bye.